Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we make your purchasing decisions as clear as a 4K drone camera. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in an aerial showdown. The Temis 4K drone on my left and the SOTAONE S350 on my right. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Temis 4K drone boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K camera with a 110 degrees field of view. Reviewers rave about its capability to capture stunning, high-quality images and videos, making it perfect for those who want to take their aerial photography to the next level. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle. While it may not match the cinematic quality of the Temis, it is still a solid performer for beginners and casual users. Next, let's talk stability. The Temis drone comes equipped with an optical flow positioning system and multiple cameras, making it exceptionally stable and easy to control. Reviewers highlight its durability and ease of use, even for beginners. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 features altitude hold and headless mode, which are great for kids and novice pilots. However, it lacks the advanced stability features of the Temis, making it more suited for simple, straightforward flying experiences. Now, power and performance. The Temis drone flaunts brushless motors with 4 wind resistance levels, making it a robust and reliable choice for various conditions. Reviewers appreciate its quiet operation and long-lasting performance. In contrast, the SOTAONE S350, with its 3 speed modes, is better suited for light breezes and calm conditions. It's a great starter drone, but may struggle in more challenging environments. Alright, let's dive into the fun stuff. The Temis drone offers features like 3D flips, gravity control, and speed adjustments, providing an exciting flying experience. Reviewers love its versatility and the fun factor it brings to the table. The SOTAONE S350, though not as advanced, still packs a punch with 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotations, and even a VR mode. It's a hit among kids and those looking for a budget-friendly, fun option. Finally, let's talk design and portability. The Temis drone has a sleek, futuristic design and is foldable, making it incredibly portable. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight build, which means no FAA registration is required. The SOTAONE S350 also scores high on portability with its compact, foldable design. It's perfect for those who need a drone that's easy to carry around and store. Overall, reviewers find the Temis 4K drone to be a durable, high-quality option with excellent camera capabilities and stability features, making it a favorite among both beginners and more experienced users. The SOTAONE S350, while not as advanced, is praised for its ease of use and fun features, making it a great choice for kids and beginners. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for top-notch camera quality and performance, the Temis 4K drone is your go-to. But if you're after a fun, budget-friendly option for beginners and kids, the SOTAONE S350 has got you covered. Which drone are you going to pick for your next aerial adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, buy smart, fly smarter. Product links are in the description.